Children, we are seeing the third lesson, work and energy. In last class I will explain to you about the work. Work is nothing but moving some object from one place to another place, so the work is done. So what are the conditions of work done and work is not done? And we saw the 5 types of energies here, and details we are seeing one by one energies. And last class we saw renewable energy, non-renewable energy, and about the simple missions. So simple missions are tools which are used to make a work easier. Example: pulley, wedge, inclined plane, screw, lever, wheel and axle. First point, pulley. Here the man lifting the bricks, okay, but he is using his energy, okay, but instead of using the pulley we can lift the more loads but without losing our energy. See, the loads are tied with a rope, and using the pulley they are just lifting the loads. So these kind of bigger loads we can't lift by our hand, so they are using the pulley. Look at here, the pulley machine made up of wheel. You all know well, right? Well is kinar. In the well, they use this pulley. This very easy to fetch water from the well. The chain passes through the pulley and it rotates a direction in more force and in the reverse force also. Next, here the crane lifting the more loads like iron rods, okay, very big loads. So they use the crane to lift the loads. So crane is also used by the mechanism of pulley. Next topic, we'll see the inclined plane. See, look at here, the man lifting the big box. So he can't lift it. Look at here, he is losing his energy and converting energy into a hand and moving the object, but he can't. But look at here, this is an inclined plane. It's nothing but the small wooden board. They keep it on the slanting way and just rolling on the, he just using his energy, just he's pulling the load into the van. So using this ramp, nothing but just a small wooden board also you can keep like a ramp. That is a slanting way. So easy to lift the loads wherever you want by rolling. It's easy to lift the heavy load by hand instead of using the inclined plane, that is a ramp. Using a ramp we are just rolling on the object. Look at this, in the hospitals you can see this flat sloping. This is also inclined plane. The patients, some patients can't walk on the steps because they are sick. So instead of their walking, they just sit on the wheelchair and just with their rolling up using the flat sloping. So this is also called a inclined plane. Very best example we can take in our at home. We are just how lifting a vehicle inside to our home using this flat sloping. Okay, just come to your house and look at their gate. See, they are put it in a flat sloping using the cement and sand. Using this sloping we can lift the vehicle, car or bike, anything, easy to our lifting the object into our house. So in house also we are using this flat sloping, that is slide and slope. And third point, we are seeing the wedge. Wedge is a tool with a sharp edge which can be used to split a material. It is used to break a wooden logs in a two pieces. Example, knife, scissor and axe. So I am having a pencil. I want to cut it in a two. So I'll use the knife. I can't use a scissor here. So using the knife, I'll cut the pencil in two. If the wood is very big, we are using the axe. Just keeping the axe and we use our energy. See, the wood is cutting in two part. Okay. So wedge is also a simple machine to use it. In next class we see about the screw topic and other topics. So up to wedges I'm finished the class. Okay, thank you.